Cars and Coffee in Bentonville, September 2nd, and we've got some pretty nice cars here today. We're going to get around and go look at them, but for now, pretty decent turnout. Lined up both sides all the way back. I guess we'll go take a look. Alright, let's start going down the row here. I like this old VW actually. A couple of special boards. We've got some clan mates here. What's up to Jordan? Mr. Mike, the MX-6. Yes, sir. But that's okay. What is it about this old Ford? Hey! Yes, sir. If you've got overnight parts from Japan, and we got a real special treat here today. A real special treat. I'm so excited to show you guys this car. I'm so excited for this one. Are we ready? Look at this. Y'all, that's a Tiburon. Wait till you see this. It's an actual Tiburon. Can you believe it? Look at that. Oh, we've seen this guy right here before. At least I have. And we got... We'll get back that Miata over there. Got our usual Mopar folk here. Oh, yeah. Blah, 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 blah. And twist. Look at this one. Luckily we got a Viper show up, which I love. Real freaking clean here. There we go. That's for y'all. one of the Express Rally Evos that runs. Absolutely beautiful car. This 2000 here. More trucks we get to. Here's an interesting thing. So, secret, I love Chip Foose. One of my favorite designers ever. I've watched every episode of Overhauling. Love it. We just noticed this. Mr. Ian did. It's a Foose car, and I don't know what about it's Foose, but I need to meet the owner because I have many questions. We got an actual special thing here. Not my usual DS, but oh, perfect timing. Perfect timing, sir. I was just eyeballing this earlier.
I know, the louvers.
Yeah. And I had to walk around back, see if it was a speed, and sure enough.
It is.
I think they did a much better job than I did on that.
They did a great job.
Had to get nerdy and talk car there. Oh my God. Is that a stock 240? Is that a stock 240? Might actually have found a rare car there. Start back this way. Are we fresh out of the wash, kids? We're fresh out of the wash, kiddos. Yes. There we go, right here. Yes. This must be the other Speed Miata.
Well, it's smaller, so the seat is all
Always wanted one of those. Country boy in me, anyway. This I actually wanted to see. Hello. Oh my gosh. Alright. Thank you. It's absolutely beautiful.
It's got to go to Texas, good guys. This one, it's got to go there. John Carver's Lincoln.
Polished.
At that point, I'm done. With that budget,
You can tell because
Is that a track hawk? I've seen this Nomad a few times, but I just love it. Absolutely. Well, let me go and take a closer look here. Oh my. It is indeed. It is.
It would be like if you were going to go to a sound off.
Okay.
Like stereo quality.
Y'all been here this long, may as well just stick with me here. We're gonna have to walk back through the groups of cars. want to show a set of back tires
I honked at a couple of bicycles.
on this dude's car. He taught me something I didn't know. You GM folk probably already do. But Mouse is a small block and Rat's a big block, so his car is called the Orange Rat for obvious reasons now. Need to single out these back tires here. Crew back here. An official pace car. You want to say hi to YouTube?
Heck yeah, hey!
Volkswagen.
Yeah, mine's acting funny.
I think the bad ones are fucking kids are trying to.
Got some G8s up in here today, including the Holden. Yes.
I've got too many cars in my mind.
Here I thought you had decided on a sedan.
They're a fun car, man.
And Wonderlust, which is right up the street from
I've got to go in on this guy.
that little campground. Yeah. Yeah, we got about 30 right here.
Cars we could probably pack for whatever trip.
It's one of my favorites today.
Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Please like, comment, and subscribe right here for more Rage Fuel content. We'll see you next time.